Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about tips about how to style your jumper and your jeans with the Air Force One and with the hat on, and again with the scarf on. So we'll get to that later on because it's gonna look cool. Everything is gonna be amazing. You can see the way I put the jumper on with the jeans with the hat on. It look cool on me. If you try this way, you're gonna look really cool. Any type of jumper you have in your wardrobe, you can put it with the jeans and with the Air Force One, and it's gonna look really cool. You can try with the hat on as well. You're gonna look really awesome, really amazing, because it look cool on me like this. So you need to try it. Then you're gonna look really cool. You see the way I put the jeans, I pop up the trainers to cover the trainers to give me that kind of different vibe. You can see the way he look. It looking nice with the type of jeans. It looking stylish as well. It's a flare jeans as well. And again, you can see turn the jeans backward to another style again. So let me show you. I'm gonna turn the jeans again. If I don't want to, I'm gonna make sure it stands on top of it. It gives you different kind of style as well. You can do that as well. If you get flare jeans, then it's gonna look really cool on you. You see the way he look right now? So this one is different, right? I like it. Amazing. Yeah, it looks totally different. So you can style it this way or this way. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Keep going. You're gonna looking really cool. I like the vibe. Amazing. Honestly, looking cool. You can see where he look at the back as well. Looking nice, right? The left, you see the difference between that one and this one. Amazing. Looking cool. If you style it this way, you're gonna be receiving compliment. Don't worry about, oh no, I can't put it on. You can put it on. No matter where you are, you can put this on and you're gonna look really cool, really nice as well. Again, if you get the hat, just put the hat on. You're looking dapper, you're looking awesome as well. Put the hat on, then you're good to go. Because you can see me, I'm putting the hat on. I make it change to look kind of different in a different vibe as well. Because if you try it, you're gonna look really cool. Honestly, amazing. I like the vibe. I'm getting too much exciting because I like the way he look. It looking cool. So you need to try it. You're gonna look awesome, looking excellent as well. Put your wristwatch, your bracelet, your ring, your necklace, pearls, which one you want to put it on, put it on. You're gonna looking cool. You're gonna looking nice. And again, you can put the spray on. When you get spray, just spray yourself. Amazing. I'm looking for the mouth. Oh. Yeah, a little bit. You don't need much. A little bit. You're looking cool. You're looking fresh. You're looking dapper. I like the way everything look. Amazing, right? You can see the way the difference is. I like it. Which one I want to go for, I can go for that. And you too, you need to try both. Which one do you think it look cool? This one or this one? Try it. You're gonna look cool. That's why I'm giving you the tips how to start the flare jeans with the jumper with the hat on. You're gonna look cool. I know you have jumper in your wardrobe over there. What you have to do, try it. Put it on like this. You're gonna look really cool. Excellent, dapper, clean. You will be receiving compliments every day. If you start the way I'm styling, go to my video, check out my content, the way I'm styling. All the content, the way I'm putting them together in the coolest way, you're gonna receive a compliment every day. Promise you, I promise you, you're gonna be receiving compliment. If you try them on the way I put them on, then you're gonna be receiving compliment. So let's move on to the scarf. I'm gonna show you. You can you can start the scarf. You can start the scarf with the jumper on, and you look cool. So let's go. What you have to do, tie at the back. One or two, don't let it too tight so you can be braid. You don't want it to be too tight on. Look at that. And you do it properly. Again, make sure you tie it a little bit tighter. Then you tuck it at the back. You see the way you look on me? Look cool, right? Don't tell me it's not looking cool, because I know you're looking nice. You're looking awesome. So you can start yours like that. See the way he look with the hat. I look cool. I look dapper. I look kind of chill or kind of nice though. You can do that because it look cool on me. Why are you not trying? Amazing. Honestly, I just like the vibe. Do you not like the way it look? It look cool. So you can start your jeans with the jumper with the scarf on and you look amazing. With the hat on, you look excellent. And look, with this type of style I pull the jeans into, it's looking cool. You want to fold the jeans, you want to leave it like that, you can do that and it's going to look really cool on you. So try the tips. All the tips are given to you. Try them on. Don't put pressure on yourself. If you can't put the scarf on like this, don't worry, do the jeans. If you can't do the jeans, put the scarf on. If you can't put the scarf on, try the hat on. If you can't, try the hat on. Spray yourself, you're gonna look cool. If you can't try that on, you need to put the jeans with the jumper on. You're gonna look cool. If you can't try that on, put the bracelet, rings, wristwatch, necklace. You're gonna look really cool. People will be giving you that compliment because I look cool like this. So why you not try and looking cool and join the compliment clubs? Because people will be complimenting you every day. Amazing. I like it. I'm getting too much exciting. Honestly, you're looking cool. You're looking awesome. All kind of nice stuff. I like it. I'm showing you, you can style it this way and you're gonna looking amazing, looking cool, looking chic. I like the way everything look clean, nice, amazing, honestly cool. I like the vibe as well with the scarf as well. It's just cool. So you can pull your scarf on with the jumper on, with the jeans on. You look cool. You look nice. You look dapper. I like it. Stylish with coolness, with all kind of vibe. Look at that. I can't even style it like this. It goes. Either tucking down or pull that one down. Stylish, right? Amazing. I like it. It look cool. Honestly, it look cool. So go to my comment section. Drop the comment. Let me know what do you think. Liking, do all kind of stuff, and follow me all the media platform, and go and follow me all media platform, and I'm there. I'm giving you all kind of tips and tricks. So you need to go and follow me over there. Then you can see a lot of good stuff going on. So you can see the way these look. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Looking cool, looking nice, looking good. I like it. So you need to go and follow me, Sharkcool Style. I'm giving you all kind of tips, kind of tricks, all kind of hack about how to style your jeans in different way, and scarf, the hood, the hat, the shirt, the trousers in different way. Go and check it over there. You're gonna see it looking dapper, looking fresh, you looking clean. So I want you to try all kind of tricks I've been giving you. Then you're gonna be looking cool. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you beautiful people another day. Take care.